Today I will be talking about how to use Acode app, kind of tutorial. Open the Play Store and type Acode app and you will see this app. So it is already installed in my device. Let's open this in my device. This is the interface that you will see. You can see multiple icons at the bottom. Those are buttons which is present in your keyboard, so it will help you to code fast. There are multiple buttons like Control, Shift, Tab, Undo, Redo, Search. You can see on the top left corner there is 3 bar menu bar. If you click that, again 3 icons. The topmost is for file, the second one is for search, and the third is for plugins. To open new file in your Acode app, you have to click on the 3 dots top right corner. You have to click on files. Now I am in file browser, so if your file is present here, it's good. If not, then click on that plus button. You have to click on add path and then you have to click on select folder. You got the access of your internal storage, so if any folder you have created over here, you can open it in your Acode. Now I have multiple files to choose. Let's select anyone. Again, if you click on those 3 bars, you will see my website as open. Multiple plugins that has been added to this app, so you can run Python, you can run C++, C#. New file, you can create new file, obviously. Save. Now console is for JavaScript. You can use when you are creating any JavaScript program, then you can use console. I'm creating new file, so test.html, and I must tell you that this is one of the best app for Android. Shortcut also works as VS Code, not as good as VS Code, but yeah, the most of snippet works here as well. So for HTML boilerplate code, you have to type exclamation and hit the tab. You got the snippet. Let's save this file. This is used to save your code, so you can click there and save it wherever you want. There is already one file present with this name, so I am overwriting it. Now you can type anything and run this. There is inbuilt code runner as well, but if you want to run in your web browser, then you can do that. So let's click on that play button on the top, and you can see there are 3 icons above. First is for computer mode, the second is if you want to run your code on web browser, then second icon is for that, and third is for console. Now this was for HTML, and similarly you can do CSS, JavaScript. There is no additional requirement for it. But yeah, if you want to code Python, you want to code C++ or something else, then you need to download plugins. There is multiple options of plugins like Acode 1 Dark, then Lorem Markdown. There's multiple, Git Dust, ChatGPT also integrated, Acode. So you can download whatever plugins you want. Right. Want to code Python, then you can do that as well. And from here you can change your settings. There is multiple themes. This was for today. If you have doubt that whether this particular functionality is in this app or not, then you can contact me. You leave the comment below, I will try to reply it. If you find anything worthy from this video, then do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.